Well, what I find most rewarding about being especially a family doctor is the relationships I get to make with my patients. I get to see them, in many cases, from birth to death. I get to know them for several years, know all about their history, their family history, and just get to form fantastic, long-lasting relationships with them. My hobbies? I am a huge board game geek. I love to play all sorts of board games, mostly the European style, the Settlers of Catan, the Agricola type games. I do try to get some exercise, believe it or not. I love to take my dogs for walks, and then I also love to watch the St. Louis Cardinals play. I was a traveling exhibit for the St. Louis Children's Museum. I was kind of part of the H2 Orchestra, is what it was called. My job was to take this huge conglomeration of instruments, I guess we're going to call them, designed to utilize water. I had to load them into a cargo van, unload them, set them up, fill everything with water, and then teach children how to create terrible sounds using these instruments. Then at the end of the day, I had to dump all the water out, load it back into the cargo van, take it to the St. Louis Children's Museum, and unload it. So basically, I was a work mule that got to teach for about 2 hours and had to listen to some of the most horrible sounds you can ever imagine come out of water gongs and pipes and all sorts of horrendous things. I have two. I have a Cocker Spaniel named Molly, and I have a Basset Hound named Harvey, and they are two of the goofiest and silliest dogs you'll ever meet, but at the same time they're wonderful.